Hello students, in this session I am going to teach you a grammar part that is comparisons, okay? And how the words changes when we doing comparison. We are going to learn in this session, okay students? Now see some examples, okay? Example, Alice is smart boy. Smart is adjective, okay, which tells more information about Alice. Understood? See the next. Alice is smarter than Joy. Okay. And next example. Alice is smartest boy in the class. Okay. When we read these three sentences, what we observe? In the first sentence, Alice is smart boy. There is no comparison. In this sentence, there is no comparison. Understood? In the second sentence, Alice is smarter than Joy. In this sentence, comparing Alice with Joy. Alice comparing with Joy. Understood? Alice smarter than Joy. Comparison between Alice and Joy. Understood? See the next sentence. Alice is smartest boy in the class. In this sentence, comparing Alice to all the students of the class. In this sentence, Alice comparing with the students of all students in the class. Okay. See, when there is no comparison, we use a regular form. Okay. When we comparing with one person, one place, one thing, anything, at that time we use er or more. Understood? Or when we comparing one thing, one person, one place to another thing, person, place more than two. At that time we use est or most. Understood? See the next example. Sophie is good singer, but Ava is better than her. And Sarah is the best singer. Understood? See, in this sentence, Sophie is a good singer. Here is no comparison. Understood? But next, Ava is better than her. Means here is the comparison between Ava and Sophie. Understood? Good changed in better. Understood? Then her and Sarah is the best singer. Here here is no comparison. In this, here better Ava and Sophie comparing, and here Sarah is the best. Good, better, best. Best means what? Sarah comparing more than two persons. Understood? Let's see in detail in textbook. Open your page number on 35. Topic 12, comparisons. Read these sentences. Varun is tall boy. Aman is taller than Varun. We compare Aman and Varun. Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. We compare Mohan and the other boys of the class. Comparison between two things or persons. A man is taller than Varun. My eraser is smaller than yours. Nakul's sharpener is bigger than yours. When we compare two persons, things or animals, we use er form of the adjective. Understood? Remember this. Examples. Taller, smaller, bigger. When we compare two things, we use er from the adjective. We also use than. Understood? See, question A. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in the brackets. This book is lighter than that one. Mohan is stronger than Sohan. Tarun is smarter than his brother. The aeroplane moves faster than the train. Rita's hair is shorter than Richa's hair. Understood? Turn the page. There are some big words which cannot be used comparison by adding er. We have to add more before these words. Comfortable, more comfortable. Beautiful, more beautiful. Question B. Make comparison using the words in the brackets. I am more comfortable in this seat than that. Jyoti is more beautiful than Meena. You have to solve the remaining. Okay. See next. Comparison between more than two things or persons. Read these sentences. Manya is the tallest girl in the class. The blue box is largest of all the boxes. Vinod is the strongest boy in the class. When we compare more than two persons or things or animals, we write est form of the adjectives. When we compare more than two things, we use est form of the adjective. We also use the with the est form. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in the brackets. The red car was biggest among all the cars. Today is the coldest day of the month. That is the tallest building of the area. Students, you have to solve remaining words. Okay. See next. Some big words cannot be used for comparison by adding est. We have to add most before these words. Comfortable, most comfortable. Beautiful, most beautiful. D. Make comparison using words in the brackets. This is the most beautiful painting in the exhibition. Yesterday's match was the most exciting match of the tournament. This is the most colorful room of the house. Okay. E. Choose the correct word from the brackets. Tarun is the dash boy in the class. In the class, comparing with more than two persons. So we use here most intelligent. The hair is dash than tortoise. Comparing with only one. So we use lazier. You have to solve remaining ones. Let's revise. When we show comparison between two things, animals or persons, we use er form adjectives. Example, lighter or more with the adjective. Example, more important. When we compare more than two things, animals or persons, we use est form of adjective. Example, lightest, most with the adjective. Example, most important. Understood? Students, you have to solve these pages and send me the photocopy. Thank you.